everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the activities view in the lead and the deal section, and by the end, you will have all the insights how you can use the activities view in the CRM entity, that is the lead and the deal section. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. The activities for the lead and deal are automatically distributed to the stages depending on the deadline for the activities within an entity. You can plan the new activities up to specific limits, that is the 50,000 for all the plans and 1 lakh for the enterprise plan. If the limit is exceed, the counter will be blocked. To keep using the tool, complete or delete the unnecessary activities. If the deadline for an activity is next week, the deal will be next week column. Thus, view allow you to understand what work should be done today or during the week. So, in this particular activity view, we have the different sections, that is the overdue, due today, due this week, due next week, ideally or due later. So, as you plan your activity to the next week or today, accordingly that activity appear over here. So accordingly you can segregate your work, that what work you just need to do for the today or for the next week. So this is how you can see the activity section, and by clicking on the plus icon you can create the activity for the particular CRM entity. So you just need to add that client's name along with the required information, and you will be able to see the activity for that particular client is generated to the particular lead or the deal section. So as you can see over here, so we can already generated the activity for this particular client for the contact customer tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. So this is how you can generate the activity for particular CRM entity, that is the for lead and the deal section. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.